How to remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove voice chat from your WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, what you'll have to do is open up your App Store and update your WhatsApp. Now simply search for WhatsApp in your App Store or Google Play Store and then check if there is an update available. Now right there you will see an update available. Tap on update and update the app. After you do so, just open up your WhatsApp and go to the group where you've sent your voice chat. Now right there you will see an option on the top. Now you will be able to send a voice chat if there are less than 100 members in the group. Now if there are more than 100 members, you won't be able to send the voice chat as the voice chat option will not be available for you. Now, even if you are an admin of the group, you will not be able to turn off the voice chat option. Now, you will be able to see the group permissions, but that will not be possible. The only option is that you will have to have a group with over 100 members. Now here, if you have sent a voice chat on your WhatsApp group, all you can do is long press on it and tap on delete. After you tap on delete, it will select the message and you'll have to tap on delete again and tap on delete for everyone. After you do that, you will have deleted your voice chat from the WhatsApp group, and that is basically how you remove the voice chat from your WhatsApp group. And that is all for today's video, guys. That is how you remove the voice chat from the WhatsApp group. And if you're new to app hacks, be sure that you subscribe to it and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.